The internet has opened up a wealth of opportunities to earn money, many of which require no upfront investment. If you're eager to enhance your income effortlessly, here are 7 effective and legitimate ways to get free money online. Stay tuned for the last point. There's an exciting offer you won't want to miss. 1. Cashback apps and extensions. Cashback platforms like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta provide free money just for shopping online or in-store. After signing up, these platforms reward you with cashback percentages on your purchases. Some even offer sign-up bonuses for your first transaction. 2. Sign-up bonuses from banks. Many banks and fintech companies offer bonuses for opening new accounts. You could earn anywhere from $50 to $500 just by depositing money into a new checking or savings account and meeting basic requirements, such as maintaining a balance or setting up direct deposits. 3. Sell unused gift cards. Do you have old gift cards lying around? Websites like Raise or Card Cash allow you to sell those for real money. While you may not receive the full card value, it's an effortless way to convert unused cards into cash. 4. Earn through surveys. Survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna pay users to share their opinions. This low-effort option allows you to earn money during your downtime, and you can cash out in gift cards or PayPal funds. 5. Get paid for your data. Companies like Nielsen and Honeygain will pay you for allowing them to collect anonymous data on your online activities. While it may not make you rich, it's a passive income opportunity for simply installing their apps or extensions. 6. Freelancing with microtasks. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork enable you to earn money by completing small tasks, such as data entry, graphic design, or virtual assistants. If you're pressed for time, consider Amazon Mechanical Turk, where you can perform quick and straightforward microtasks for a few bucks each. By exploring these options, you can start earning free money online with minimal effort. Don't miss out on the exciting opportunities waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.